Hello, brilliant minds and tech trailblazers. Welcome back to Code Your Way to Glory, your go to podcast. Now that we have seen both the versions, let's reflect on their differences. At first, memory management. In C++, we manually allocate and deallocate memory, whereas in Python, the garbage collector takes care of it. Next, control versus automation. C++ gives control over memory, making it powerful yet demanding responsibilities. Whereas Python abstracts away the complexity, trading fine-grained control for ease of use. Perhaps here's a shocker. C++ is generally faster because it is a compiled language with direct access to memory, whereas Python is slower due to its interpreted nature. But its simplicity can resolve development time. So which one is better? Well, that depends on your needs. C++ shines in scenarios requiring fine control, high performance, or system level programming. Python, on the other hand, is ideal for rapid development, prototyping, and use cases where simplicity is paramount.